Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before today, also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet shirts and tops. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet shirts offer numerous benefits, making them a popular choice for many fashion benefits of wearing crochet shirts. The first and the main one is breathable fabric. Crochet shirts are made from open interlocking stitches allowing for excellent airflow and breathability, making them ideal for warmer weather. Lightweight. The nature of crochet fabric is often light and airy, providing comfort without being too heavy or bulky. Unique texture. Crochet shirts have a distinct texture and appearance that stands out, giving a handmade artistic touch to your wardrobe. Crochet shirts can be made in various pattern designs and colors, allowing for a wide range of customization options. Eco-friendly. Many crochet shirts are made from natural fibers like cotton, which are sustainable and biodegradable, reducing the environmental impact. Perfect for layering. Due to their breathable nature, crochet shirts are great for layering over tank top or dresses. Comfortable to wear. The soft texture of crochet fabric makes it comfortable and gentle on the skin. Crochet shirts often have some level of stitch, making them easy to wear and move in without retractions. Durable. When made with high quality yarn and proper techniques, crochet shirts can be quite durable and long lasting. Fashion and trendy. Crochet fashion has made in recent years and crochet shirts are seen as a stylish on the trend garment. Customizable fit. Many crochet designs are made to measure, allowing for a more personalized custom fit. Hypoallergic. Natural fibers like cotton or bamboo used in crochet shirts are less likely to cause skin irritation, making them a good choice for sensitive skin. Moisture wicking. Crochet fibers, practically cotton, naturally absorbs moisture and helps to keep you dry in hot conditions. Easy to care for. Crochet shirts made them durable yarn are often machine washable, making them easy to care and maintain. Color variety. Crochet shirts can be made in nearly any color or combination, allowing to timeless choice to match your personal style. Handmade appeal. Crochet shirts often carry a sense of artisanal craftsmanship as they are frequently handmade by skilled artisans or crafters. Cooling effects. The open wave nature of crochet fibers helps to keep you cool on hot days, making it ideal for tropical or summer climates. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique, outstanding and outclass designs. Timeless appeal. Crochet style have a vintage charm, giving crochet shirts a timeless classic look that does not easily go out of fashion. Eco-conscious fashion. Supporting handmade crochet item is often linked to sustainable small-scale production which supports local artisans and reduce mass production. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch with our